Hello and welcome to the Voodoo free video for Monday, May 12th. This is David and let's dig in. We're taking a look at TJX. And one of the reasons is that a fresh Voodoo Lines update is out today. It updates levels in Cardinal Health, in ICE, and in Nike, and also adds coverage for TJX here, which has worked its way over the past couple of months north of the Voodoo Fire Line. The Fire Lines, of course, being the most important levels in the Voodoo Lines, and we've got a squeeze that's been forming in here. Looks like it's starting to release to the upside, printing new all-time highs today. But perhaps if this squeeze is in the process of firing, perhaps with targets up higher, I'd like to see at least to this 139.35 snow line. That, of course, is not one of the most significant of the lines, right? The next level after these fire lines come these tree lines, and we may work our way there if TJX can maintain support above this 139.35 level. But I'm still looking for at least a little bit higher, as long as support above that 122 level can be maintained. And again, just a reminder for all the Voodoo Line subscribers out there that there is now an updated version out as of this afternoon. Now, just a quick peek at the S&P 500 before I run to record the premium video. We are still below the fire line here, right? One that we broke right in early March, coming down from the February all-time high. Initially below that, we were bearish, but now we're above just about every level, right? We're back above our tree line levels that we've been watching, and north of the higher tree line, we're now above both of the snow lines, holding the upper snow line here Friday afternoon, and today working our way above both of these sky lines, our fourth most important level. So long as we stay above these sky lines, it leaves an open path up towards that 58.25 fire line, at which point that becomes really the all-important over-under level to watch to see what the next direction is going to be. But we have a clean path there so long as we stay above this this 58.33 level that we closed above today. If we do break below that, then watch the 57.59 skyline. Again, a minor level, but back below both of them allows for a potentially consequential retest of this 56.57 level, below which we need to start worrying that maybe we're working our way back down. So short-term levels, watch 58.32 and then 57.59, and below there, then 56.57 becomes the really important level. But for now, the index doing everything it needs to work its way up towards that 59.25 level and make an important decision there. So that's what I'm watching. I hope you found it useful, and I will see you next Monday's update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.